Welcome to this technical guide on the TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM21 keeps overheating and losing power during use, you are likely dealing with a faulty temperature sensor. This can happen due to wear and tear or exposure to extreme conditions. If left unaddressed, the device may sustain further damage, potentially leading to a complete failure. The good news is that replacing the temperature sensor is a straightforward process that we can guide you through. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement temperature sensor. Begin by ensuring your TM21 is completely powered off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully open the device by removing the screws located at the back using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws safe as you will need them later. Once the back cover is off, you will see the internal components. Locate the temperature sensor, which is typically situated near the battery or cooling system. It may be secured with additional screws or clips. Gently detach any cables connected to the sensor, taking care not to damage surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the faulty sensor by unscrewing it or unclipping it from its housing. Take your new temperature sensor and position it in place, securing it with screws or clips as necessary. Reconnect any cables you detached earlier, ensuring they are firmly in place. Once everything is connected properly, replace the back cover of the TM21 and secure it with the screws you removed at the beginning. Before powering the device back on, double-check that everything is in order. Now, power on your TM21 and monitor its performance. It should no longer overheat or lose power during use. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check your device for any signs of wear and perform routine maintenance. Avoid exposing the TM21 to extreme temperatures and ensure proper ventilation during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.